Everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. Now, as you can see over here, it says that Jane painted a gray square on a rectangle ABCD as shown below. So this is the gray square. All right, I know it's black in color because of the printing. Now, anyways, let's move on to the next part of the sentence. It says that the length of BC, all right, as you can see over here is sentence number one. The length of BC is twice of EC. So when I say that the length of BC is twice, it means that the length of BC is 2 units. And then EC itself will be just 1 unit. Okay, so EC is my hidden information. Okay, so if this is 1 unit, then this BE is definitely 1 unit as well. Okay, so what you can see over here is that 2 units is actually equals to 6, 1 unit is actually equals to 3. So we are just going to write 3 cm over here, we are going to write 3 cm over here. Once I'm done, I have to mirror image. Okay, I know that AD is also 6 centimeters. Okay, so once this is done, you can move on to sentence number 2. In sentence number 2, it says that the length of AD, where exactly is AD? AD is 6 cm. All right, what did they say? They say that AD is half of AB. Now, when you look at it, you realize that AB is definitely way longer. So AB is 6 times 2, which gives me 12 centimeters. How do I times 2? Because we know that the length of AD is only 6 cm and it is half of AB. All right, that means AB is definitely longer than AD. Okay, another way to see is this. When you see half, you can say that 1 unit goes to AD and 2 unit goes to AB. So if 1 unit is 6 cm, then AB will be 2 units. 2 units will be 6 times 2. Okay. Now, they want us to find the area of the unpainted part of rectangle ABCD. How do I go about that? Very simple. The unpainted part is basically whatever that is over here. Okay, let me not paint it. If not, you will get confused. So what I will do is I will find the area of the whole rectangle, minus away the area of the gray square, and that will give me the unpainted part. So the first thing I'm going to do is to find the area of the rectangle. As you can see over here, the area of the rectangle, we know that the measurements, I'm going to highlight it for you as well, okay, is basically whatever that is over here times whatever that is over here. So we know from here itself, it is simply just 12 times 6, and that gives me how much? 72 centimeter square. Now, then the next thing, of course, I want to find is the area of the gray square. Okay, the area of the gray square, as you can see over here, is 3 times 3. How do I know it's 3 times 3? Because the gray square is basically whatever that is over here and whatever that is over here. So therefore, you will get to 9 centimeters square. And what you want to do is to find the area of the unpainted part. So I will say area of unpainted. All right, area of unpainted will then now be 72. You minus away the gray square, you minus 9, you get to an answer of 63 centimeter square.